Hey, welcome back to Tony's Kitchen. Welcome back to Cooking Around's Kitchen. What do we have for you today? Today, a big surprise, sausage pasta. Now you can have this mild or you can have this spicy any way you want, but it's going to be absolutely perfect and your family and friends are going to love you. So let's get going. Well, I just came from the delicatessen and look at the sausage that I have here. Absolutely awesome and fresh. Nothing better than fresh. And the smell, it's nice and smoked, and it has deep taste of garlic and other goodies. So let's get going with this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take your handy dandy knife and I'm going to cut the tips off. I don't like the tips and I'm just going to toss that. Now how you slice this depends on you. So I like to slice it, say what, about a little less than ½ an inch. You can do it straight, you can do it sideways, but basically round. This is the way I like to do it. And this way it keeps moist in the middle when you are frying it, and the taste will hold better together. So it again depends on you. So let's get going and I shall be back. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, really any kind of cooking oil. And now that it's hot, we're going to add our sausages. So at medium high, I want you to now keep those sausages moving around because I want them to cook even. And now I want you to take 1 medium onion, diced just like that, and I want you to put that inside, and I want you to keep on stirring so nothing burns and everything cooks evenly. Add now 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, and let's keep that moving around. And now 1 can of diced tomatoes. Now I want you to see what the flavor is. It's right in there, so I want you to add a little bit of water just to get those juices out. Take a look at that. Yummy. Now let's spice it up. I want you to add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Oh, this is going to be awesome. And now 1 chicken cube, but this is the low sodium I'm using because the sausage already contains salt. Please don't forget the fresh ground pepper. Add as much as you want. Here I'm adding about ½ teaspoon because that's what keeps me happy. And now I want you to add ½ teaspoon of sugar. Okay, now I want you to cover it and let that go for 20 to 25 minutes and I shall be back. Okay, we're back. It's been about 20-25 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh my God, does that look good? Does that ever smell awesome? I wish you could smell that. Now it's time to taste it and see how it tastes. So take a little bit and I want you to taste, and remember that this is for you, not for me. Now this is perfect, but for me I require a little bit more salt, so I'm putting about ½ teaspoon of salt, and that would be just perfect, and 1 tablespoon of basil. And now turn the heat down to really low, and I want you to cover it and I shall be back. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 8 to 9 minutes, enough time for me to cook the penne. And now take a look at that. Isn't that absolutely awesome? Now I drained the penne very well, and now I'm just going to add it to my pan, and now I just want you to stir it very slowly, get it all intermixed. And all I want to say is thank you very much for allowing me to show you this video, and I hope to see you again on my next cooking video. So thank you from Tony and Cooking Around. I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. Goodbye now.